This is the FlexSolar 40-watt flexible solar charger. It has no battery included. It folds out. It's about the size of an iPad when it's not in use. There are 3 connectors available. One is a USB-A type connector on the right with the QC standard for fast charging, a USB-C in the middle, and then a standard DC adapter type connector on the left. As it shows, you basically have the option of getting 5 volts and 3 amps via the USB, or 9 volts at 2 amps, or 12 volts at 1.5 amps. Various options depending on how the connections are worked. My plan was to use this with a USB-C cable to charge a portable charging battery that could then be used to charge other devices when there's no sun available. While you could charge your phone directly attached to the solar panel when there is sun available, this solar panel by itself has no internal battery and therefore does not store energy. It only delivers energy as it is available. So best to have that energy go into a battery that can be used at any time. Cable is not included. Most of us have USB cables around the house anyway, so it easily connects. The device pretty simply unfolds. The total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 panels altogether. Here I have it connected again with a hardwire connection to my phone. You probably can't see it there, but the phone says it's at 94% and is indeed charging. Just sitting on the patio table here, there's no direct sunlight, but there is indirect sunlight, and this is enough to charge the phone at least. And of course, with solar, depending on how much light there is, will determine how much wattage or amperage is delivered by the device, which is why my recommendation is to use this attached to a battery that you can then later separate from the solar panel and use to charge your devices. This is the 40-watt version, which sells for $79.99 on Amazon, and a 20-watt version is also available for $59.99. Since you're probably going to use this to charge a battery, the only difference is how quickly it'll charge. Either one would be suitable, depending on your use case. I'll include a link to the product in the description below. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Note that there is a 20% discount coupon at checkout, so the actual price is a bit less than the $79.99.